pa naman pakasalan, hindi naman nagpropose. And billions? Oh my God, billions. The only billions. Ang anino ng billions na nakita ko ay sa flood control lang. Oh my God. Billionaires. C family. Gokwe. Zubair. Waitis. Ta. Gishita. Villar, Zaldico, Vizcaya, Morgans. And wag mong ismulin si Bayad Jessic because simple lang siya. Ikaw, you don't know. But ang assets no? I know. You know? And kung makimaritas naman lang, at least get everything right. Like, everything. Ayan, mula na. Mahirap na masabihin ng unreliable source or amalaya. Ayan na. Umeffect na yung Bayad Jessic. Good night. Ingat.